The footage used in this episode of ATME is an interview with Chris Sontag, which took place outside his home on a sunny day. ATME logo.
Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to my place. My home is a big piece of AT.
Quick shots of AT and Chris's home.
The smart home centres around the smart hub, where all the AT in my house is controlled.
Chris turns up the living room lights via the smart hub.
So the smart home system is a Fabaro. It uses Z-Wave technology, which is a lot of the smart home systems run on now. The key fob that I use is just a Fabaro key fob. It's another one of their devices that you can use for any part of the home automation.
Chris answers the front door via the smart hub.
When you get to the front door, there's a camera on there, so I can see who's at the door, let them in if I need to. Rings through to my phone. I can answer the phone and answer the front door wherever I am.
Shot of a person at the front door on the smart hub.
Front doors are automated through the smart hub as well, so if I open the front door, I can have that turn on a light or the garage door light or any sort of smart link device.
Garage door opens, lights come on.
I also use an Alexa Dot. I've got a couple of them around the house, and they are linked to the smart home system as well. Alexa, turn on the TV.
Okay.
TV turns on.
So in the bedroom, I have an automated hanging system. It just has a button on the wall. I can press the button and it brings the clothes down to my level. So it makes it a lot easier and more convenient.
Clothes rail lowers down.
In my pantry, where it's an automated shelving system that rotates around just on the button on the wall, makes it a lot easier for me to get to all my stuff and saves space on height as well.
Pantry shelves rotate around.
With AT, with the house, I guess sometimes it has its ups and downs. It has a bit of a hiccup every now and then, and I'll come home and the doors will be open. And I guess in a way, it's not perfect. Nothing's perfect, but it still makes life so much easier. So another piece of assistive technology that I have in my house is an electric gate down the side of my house. It helps me get my trikes and trailer in and out and quite easily. I don't even have to get out of the car to do it.
Large electric gate opens.
So outside my home, I like to do a bit of hand cycling. In the next episode, you'll see me and Andrew taking you for a ride.
Two men go over rough terrain on handcycles. @Chat logo. Bringing assistive technology to life. Live, play, work. Facebook, Instagram, @chatwithus.